Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a flow version in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, we need to access to our flow builder or just the list of our flow in Salesforce. And basically we need just to go to setup. After that, we need to search for the flows. So I'm just going to type flows and we click on it here, and then we will need either to seek the flow that you want to delete its version, or you can just create, let's just create someone's and create some new version for it. So let's just have anything and start from scratch. Let's just do next. um, let's make a screen flow, and basically let's add anything. So basically an element, screen, label, API, and let's do whatever. And I'm just going to click on done. Then I'm just going to save this API flow label. Let's give it any name, and we click on save. And now we can go back to our flows, and we need to search for our flow that we have created. So here we can see this flow, and we will need just to click on view details and versions. And from here we can see that there is only one version. And to delete only one version, you will need just to go to the flow version, and you will have a deactivate uh, one or a deactivate button or delete button in your version. So let's just activate this one, and simply we need just to create a new version, and let's edit it and save. So let's go back again to the builder so we can create a new version, and that's it. So as I said, simply you will need just to go here and make sure that you have more than one flow version, and you will find a delete button that will be next to the version from here. Since I have only one, I only have the deactivate and activate button. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.